Last night, a plumber in Queens missed a burst pipe call at 2 a.m. $750 job gone. I built an AI that answers those calls for you. Let me show you a live demo right now. Okay, before the demo, you can see my WhatsApp and my message is blank. I will call my AI agent right now.
Thank you for calling Breculia Plumbing. I'm Emma. Quick question. What's the plumbing issue you're dealing with today?
Water leakage all over my basement.
I'm on it. Let me get your details right now. Can I get your first and last name?
My name is Rishi and my last name is Yes.
And a callback number?
+91 72000 62679.
Got it. +917200062679. Is that right?
Yes.
Full address including the borough?
420 Park Slope, Brooklyn.
Perfect, Ricky. Yes.
Sorry.
I've alerted the owner right now.
Sorry, one second.
They'll call you at +917.
I want to change the address.
Is there anything else the owner Please provide the new full address including the borough.
That's 482 Park Slope, Brooklyn, New York.
Perfect, Richie. Yeah. I've alerted the owner right now. They'll call you at +9172000622679 within 30 minutes. While you wait, if it's safe, shut off your main water valve to stop damage. Is there anything else the owner should know?
Nope, thank you. As you can see, wait, I'll receive a WhatsApp message instantly. With my name, address, mobile number, and even a Gmap link, and also the recording you ordered. And the customer will get the SMS to their personal number as they have given to the agent, and you will also receive an SMS too as a owner. This is how it works. Thank you. Hey, just one second. If you want to just try this out on your own and test this agent how it works, just go to our website, book a demo meet right now.